Welcome back. In this video, we'll introduce you to Jaltest Info, Jaltest's comprehensive database of technical information that's fully integrated with our diagnostic software. Jaltest Info offers a wealth of resources, making it a powerful tool for technicians. When fault codes appear, you can access Troubleshooting by Fault Code, which provides detailed steps for resolving specific issues directly related to the fault. On the left side, you'll find the Vehicle Technical Data section. Here, you can look up essential operational values such as torque specifications for various vehicle components, accessory belt diagrams, and lubrication information. Additionally, Jaltest provides estimated labor times for component replacements, helping you better plan and execute repairs. Another useful feature is troubleshooting by symptoms. Even though Jaltest primarily deals with electronic systems, this section addresses common mechanical issues, such as loss of engine power or excessive smoke. You'll receive guided steps to help you diagnose and resolve these issues efficiently. Under Releases and Procedures, you'll find instructions for performing service functions and detailed repair actions on electronic components. This section also includes test procedures, like injector acceleration tests, to ensure that parts function correctly after installation or repair. Component replacement guides provide step-by-step instructions on replacing parts. These guides include images, torque specs, and even recalibration steps to ensure seamless integration with the vehicle systems. Jaltest Info offers a powerful set of resources to enhance your diagnostics.